to Cooking with Tao Ka. It's another beautiful afternoon here at Massage Fish Farm. And today I'm gonna cook chicken. So the first dish that I'm gonna cook today is barbecue chicken Thai style. We need soy sauce, white pepper, palm sugar, coriander root, evaporated milk, and chicken. So I'm gonna cut the chicken in half. Nice. I'm gonna put in here. We're gonna pound the coriander. And we're gonna put coriander root that we just pound. On top of the chicken, I'm gonna pound the palm sugar. I'm gonna put milk over the chicken, soy sauce, and a little bit of white pepper. And just massage chicken. Give a chicken a massage all over chicken. So it has to be a little bit sweet and a little bit salty. It's nice to leave it overnight so it tastes better. I'm gonna use the fork to prick the chicken. So I'm gonna do all over the chicken. I'm gonna leave this for half an hour and we cook after this. So now we're gonna cook PRIK KAENG. PRIK KAENG is chicken with curry paste. So you need coffee, lime leaf, basil, shallot, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, fish sauce, water, red curry paste, and main ingredient is chicken and chicken liver. Start by adding the oil in the pan. I'm gonna put red curry paste in. I'm gonna add chicken and liver. I'm gonna put a little bit of oyster sauce, soy sauce, and a little bit of sugar. And I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of fish sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit of coffee lime leaf in to make the smell nice. gonna put basil. I'm gonna cut the shallot. Now pad prik kaeng gai is ready and I'm gonna try this. Very nice. Yummy. Put the chicken one side out first. Oh, very nice. This tastes really nice. This is look very nice. The sun is going down, so I have to go back inside and can't wait to eat this. This pad prik gai. Like this. And a little bit of chicken. Smell very nice. Time for dinner. See you next time. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ